In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dynamically create Excel sheet based on a record number. One of the bonuses of this demo is that it also allows to overcome Excel limitations. As you're probably aware, the total number of rows in the latest version of Excel can be 1 million records, and in the older version it was 64 kilobytes. So the simplest way to overcome it is to create a separate sheet for every million rows of 64 kilobytes. So here we have very basic transformation. All we're doing here, we are reading the data from comma delimited file, and we calculate record number. So basically we divide our source record number by 1000, or we can divide it by 1 million. We want to overcome the Excel limitation. Then we round it, then add the prefix to it, and we create a new file, and we use sheet name as a variable. We are not actually creating a new file. We use this function a little bit confusing, because what it does, it forces writer to evaluate writer parameters such as file name, table name, or sheet name. Let me show you. Click preview. See the same record number 1, and we will be loading data into sheet 1. So let's try to run it, see what happens. Also, we have a calculator sheet name, and here it is. Sum applied to table or ranges. And if you view the data, you'll see that we have 3 sheets now. And every single one of them, let me just check. Has a maximum of 1000 rows, as we wanted. This is where it is set. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.